Please feed the YouTube algorithm by giving the video a like. If you want to see more like this, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. If you want to chip in on my expenses, I now have Patreon and YouTube memberships. Welcome to this month's Hua Hin Thailand train line construction drone video update. If you're familiar with the background of the train line project from previous videos, feel free to skip ahead to the timestamp shown on screen. For those of you new to the series, I've been flying my drone monthly around the train line construction in my town of Hua Hin, Thailand, starting back in April of 2021. Thailand is in the middle of a massive project to upgrade from a system of single tracks to a system of double tracks, plus additional high-speed rail links from Bangkok to the north towards Laos and China, and additional 160 kilometers per hour mid-speed rail links to the south. One of the mid-speed lines is now under construction through Hua Hin. Concurrently to this, the main train station in Bangkok is moving from the century-old Hua Lam Phang station to the shiny new Bang Su station in the northwest part of the city. With the new mid-speed rail line and the better location of the Bang Su station, I'm hoping that the run from Hua Hin to Bangkok will take about 2 hours, rather than the 5 hours we currently encounter, and that's on a good day. These drone flights allow us to see the progress on things like the construction of the new Hua Hin station, the laying of the new second ground-level tracks, the raised track sections, new bridges, elevated traffic overpasses in conjunction with the removal of ground-level crossings for safety, and removal of encroaching buildings along the route to make way for the new lines and a wider road that will parallel the line all the way through town.
Hello again from Cape Girardeau in America. My electric car conversion is now happily driving down the road, and I'm getting ready to spend the holidays with my family in Denver. But the big news this month is it's the day we've all been waiting for, starting these long 2.5 years ago in April of 2021 when I began flying the drone, and the work on the train line was already significantly underway by that point. As previously announced by the State Railway of Thailand, the new Hua Hin train station took over ticket sales from the old station on December 11th and then began scheduled passenger train service on December 15th. Geoff is out of town, so we don't have any drone video of the events of the day, but we've partnered with Hua Hin Today to bring you their pictures and video of the days leading up to and including the grand opening. I've also found an amazing conductor's view of driving a train into Hua Hin from the south all the way into the new station. As for the future of this series of drone videos, it seems like there's not going to be much more to bring you every month. The city has promised a new north-south road paralleling the train tracks, and we've seen some initial clearing of that space, but not much real progress beyond that. So I think going forward, we'll retire the regular monthly schedule and switch to bringing you a new drone video whenever there's something interesting to show you, either with the trains, with that new road, or something else in the area that looks good from high up in the air. If you have any suggestions for future flights, please go ahead and drop them in the comments below. So let's move on to the news coverage, going in chronological order up to the big day. And we start off with Hua Hin Today's pictures from a pre-opening visit to the station on November 23rd, when construction was definitely still underway. Then they return on December 8th in time to catch a test train coming into the station. On December 10th, they cover a merit-making ceremony by the station staff to honor the old station, which is being turned into a museum of sorts. On December 11th, the station officially opened for ticketing, but no regular passenger train service yet. The train conductor who runs the Pui Rod Phai channel on YouTube posted a 46-minute driver view of a train coming from far in the south through several new and under construction stations, entering Hua Hin and rolling to a stop in the new station. Definitely check out the full video because it looks like there is a functional double track installed quite a ways to the south. If anyone takes a train to the south, let me know in the comments below how far the double tracks extend at this time. I've sped up his video a bit to show the last part of the journey into Hua Hin. Hua Hin Today then brings us pictures and video of the grand opening on December 15th, with people exploring all areas of the station. It looks like there'll be lots of shade and cross breezes for those waiting on the 3 major platform sections. And to ease everyone's mind, there are both elevators and escalators to get upstairs, along with the standard stairs. The Tiger also brings us a story of the opening station, along with Krung Thep Apiwat Terminal making their own announcement. On December 16th, Hua Hin Today brought pictures of a post-opening inspection performed by officials of the State Railway of Thailand. Not having heard any complaints, I hope the inspection went smoothly. We're getting some global coverage, with the BBC listing the old station as, quote, one of the world's most remarkable railway stations, unquote. The iconic King's Waiting Room will live on and continue to bring attention. And finally, Hua Hin Today brings us a link to the new ticketing system and the new schedule of train times between Hua Hin and Bangkok. And to wrap up, Geoff and I have been happy to bring you a bird's eye view of the years of construction along with relevant news items. And while we're sad to see the series come to an end, we're happy that the new system is up and running, giving a big boost to transit times between Hua Hin and Bangkok and eventually all across Thailand as all of the lines that are under construction and planned and not even planned yet come to fruition. I'll be back for holiday in 2024 and I look forward to getting the full experience in person. Thank you.
Just before we wrap up, I want to thank my Patreons, Peter Bouvier and Puppy, for their support. We also just popped over 2,000 subscribers, which is quite a nice milestone for my little channel. All support is greatly appreciated. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. I see that 81% of the viewers aren't subscribed. Please do, as it does help the YouTube algorithm. Take care and see you next time.